2018 severe weather season was a tough one for storm chasers. The year took off very slowly with only 431 eyewitness tornado reports as of May 31st. That's just a little over half of the average at that time of the year. Even with the slow year, I still managed to see 28 tornadoes across Tornado Alley, some being tall, photogenic tornadoes, others not so much. I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite tornadoes from this year. On October 7th, the Storm Prediction Center put a 5% tornado risk for parts of eastern New Mexico and the Texas Panhandle. We left Amarillo, Texas, and began our track to the southwest in hopes of seeing a tornado. As we were approaching Hereford, Texas, I noticed a nice little cell to the south with a tight couplet just on the south end. There was a decent amount of CAPE in the area, with values ranging from 2,000 to 3,000 joules. There was also a thick fog deck just north of the cell and most of the northern panhandle, but skies were clearing to the southwest. Tornado on the ground right now. Hard to see it with the humidity, but it was a fully condensed tornado and it's still dancing around. There it is right there, tornado on the ground. Shortly after the previous video was taken, the National Weather Service in Amarillo issued a tornado warning for the storm as it made its approach closer to our location. Wow. Tornado. Big cone tornado south of Hereford, Texas. Wow, look at the motion on that. Wow. Tornado. Fully condensed cone tornado, major motion south of Hereford, Texas, moving to the north-northeast.
That's gonna be on the ground for a while. Oh, no, it's lifting.
Yeah.
Do you want me to stop and do another?
Hang on. Just keep it videoing, keep it videoing. Wow.
All these bugs are
Look at that thing.
I know, I'm trying, but...
Yes.
Look!
Wow. In total, the tornado stayed on the ground for about 3 minutes before lifting and dropping again for about 1 minute. The storm blew up quick and died shortly after producing a couple tornadoes as it crossed out of the good environment and into the low instability.
Okay.
Alright, let me go. On June 19th, the Storm Prediction Center put out a 5% tornado risk for eastern Colorado, northwest Kansas, and southern Nebraska. By lunchtime, a mesoscale discussion was issued for the likelihood of a tornado watch with a few tornadoes possible. We began our day in Denver, Colorado, not knowing we would end up just 30 miles away, watching a photogenic tornado dance in a field a couple hundred yards away. Good. Oh my God. Let's stop up here and get pics. It looks like it's wobbling this way. We're pulling over up here.
I got stop here, bud. Make sure we have a place where we can wobble back, or we can get back.
Copy. Pulling in right here. Water.
Be careful.
Copy. Getting out for pics. This tornado stayed on the ground for about 5 minutes before lifting and leaving us in shock at what we just witnessed. This tall, sunlit tornado rounded out the number 4 spot in the video, but is in the number 1 position for my favorite tornado to photograph. No damage was reported with this tornado as it stuck to open fields and away from structures in rural Colorado. On May 28th, the Storm Prediction Center put out a 5% tornado risk that morning, but by that afternoon it was upgraded to a 10% tornado risk as a boundary was noticed on visible satellite and surface analysis, causing an enhanced low-level shear, making it favorable for a few tornadoes. By mid-afternoon, a tornado watch was warranted for that area as storms were exploding along the boundary.
Nick, we can get to that.
I don't know how it's still alive, but there it is.
Shortly after witnessing the first tornado of the day, we had no idea we were about to witness something I've never seen before.
Wowzers. Thank God for that Colorado dirt. Nobody's coming. I don't think you're good.
Oh my goodness.
There we go. Now we're talking.
Be real careful.
Jeez.
Get some good shots of that in video.
I'm on it.
That is wow.
We got a T right here. We cannot go forward.
Well, you can go right.
We're gonna go left right up here and then go forward.
Left and then right, but yes. It's good. He'll fall.
Oh my god. That's solid dirt all the way to the sky, dude.
It's fucking crazy.
Clear?
Yeah.
Where's our east road up here? Or west road? East road?
You can go east right here.
We're gonna go east right here at this telephone pole line.
Or you can go 2 more miles
Don't
and go
slam
east
on the
there.
brakes, man. Is there 2
I
of
was
them?
gonna say, is there 2?
There's 2 of them!
Holy freaking hell!
I don't even know what's going on. We're turning right here and we'll pull over.
Turning left.
Get ready.
Overall, this storm produced about 10 tornadoes, with most of them being landspouts. At times, there were up to 3 on the ground at once. This day is a day I'll never forget. On May 1st, the Storm Prediction Center put out a 10% hatched risk for tornadoes for the central portion of Kansas. By 2:45, a tornado watch was issued, with a threat for a few tornadoes, some of which could be intense. The day began slow with several storms blowing up, and by evening, a large tornado was on the ground within a quarter of a mile from us.
There it is. Man, I think it's lifting now. Maybe. Might be fixing to cycle again. Oh man. Holy. Oh my.
Damn!
Can we stop and move on?
You most certainly may not.
We're getting hungry, man.
Look at the cooling cloud and everything.
Yeah, I got you. I'm definitely slowing down. Oh. We're getting pretty close here too. Recording either. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh,
Power flash. Power flash.
we're gonna have to do something.
Well, let's just stop then.
Yeah. Well, he said to get past the power lines.
Well, what if they don't end?
No. definitely. Man, I don't know where the deal is. Tell them we're good.
I got it. We're not gonna get past these power lines. I know. Well, there's a road up there. Go to that road. Go to that road.
Well, I'm trying, but the wind's crazy.
Okay, we're trying to get to that road.
RMD, big time.
Yes.
Shortly after, this tornado would get rain wrapped and vanish. It was rated an EF3 as it did significant damage to a few houses in its path. This was the largest and strongest tornado for me in 2018, but it is put at the number 2 spot. And for my number 1 favorite tornado from 2018 is a close-range waterspout intercept in Long Beach, Mississippi. On April 14th, a strong squall line was pushing through Louisiana, associated from a round of severe weather the day before that produced several tornadoes in parts of Arkansas. We decided to drop down to the coast in hopes of seeing a waterspout come on shore, as a lot of the area to the north is nearly impossible to chase in. As the line approached our location, a couplet was forming, and just like that, down came a waterspout.
Look at it out there still. Oh, wow. We're going for it.
Yeah.
We're going for it. Close range. Close range. Oh, it just ripped the roof off!
Wow.
Oh, dang. There it is.
It's hitting
there
the
it
thing.
is. Oh, wow.
I don't think
Oh,
we're
dang.
gonna go through it.
No, definitely don't want to go through that. Oh my gosh.
We're like feet from this thing. Oh, look at the tin. Oh,
Yes.
dude, what are you doing, dude? No, we're good. We're good. We're good. See, it's not even knocking over trees. It's just all right.
Oh my god.
Wow, look at all the
Look at the
vortices.
tentacles.
The birds are actually caught in it.
They are, aren't they?
I think so.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, great.
Oh my gosh. Look at those people in it.
What?
Those people are in there.
Oh, it's real weak. It's not even knocking over signs, but that's so cool.
We almost got it. We got a waterspout to a tornado.
Yep.
Wanted.
Careful for the door.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Oh, we're in the inflow jet.
Yo, look at that! Ah!
We're in a tornado.
We're in the
We're in the
ghost
inflow
train.
jet. Ghost train.
Okay, that's pretty whoa.
Oh wow.
And there it is, my top 5 favorite and best tornadoes from 2018. Until next time, so long, friends.